The global supply chain is a complex web, and today it's stretched thin by rising costs, geopolitical tensions, ever-increasing consumer demands, squeezed margins, and trade tensions, creating uncertainty between countries that are pushing the limits of production. This constant strain is causing disruptions everywhere. Imagine you're a medical device manufacturer and a crucial shipment of life-saving heart monitors is stuck in customs limbo, jeopardizing deliveries to waiting for hospitals and patients. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario. It's the harsh reality for many businesses. We've seen recent disruptions such as global chip shortage impacting everything from electronics to cars to factory closures in Vietnam, delaying deliveries of clothing and footwear. Extreme weather events like hurricanes and floods are also causing more frequent disruptions, damaging infrastructure and transportation networks. But in the midst of this disruption, there is also immense opportunity for a future brimming with groundbreaking innovations that will transform the supply chain landscape. Hi, I'm Arvind Sareen, the Chairman and CEO of Copper Digital. For more than a decade, we've been at the forefront of helping businesses navigate the complexities of digital age for over 14 years. We've helped businesses across industries thrive with robust digital solutions, reciprocating ROI and impact. And I believe 2024 will be about unlocking unconventional strategies, harnessing groundbreaking innovations, and seizing the power to future-proof your business with a future that promises autonomous, self-learning machines seamlessly managing the broader supply chain process. With advanced technologies shaking up the supply chain world, especially the capabilities across GenAI, data analytics, automation, machine learning, IoT, blockchain, and more, the smart supply chain is well on its way to becoming the new normal. So buckle up and prepare to delve into the most game-changing trends reshaping the supply chain landscape for 2024. This isn't about survival. It's about harnessing these trends' potential to propel your business to new heights. Let's dive in. The very first trend on the horizon is digital supply chain. Ditch the spreadsheets and siloed data because the future of supply chain is digital. We're talking about a complete overhaul, a shift from clunky processes to streamlined data-driven powerhouse. This digital revolution unlocks a treasure trove of benefits for your business. In fact, according to a PwC survey in 2023, nearly 86% of companies agree that they should invest more in technology to identify, track, and measure supply chain risks. Imagine this, real-time data at your fingertips. No more scrambling through endless spreadsheets or guessing about inventory levels. With a digital supply chain, you'll have a complete visibility into every step of the process from raw materials to finished product delivery. This translates to smarter decision-making, faster response times, and customer demands, and a whole lot less stress. But the magic doesn't stop there. By leveraging cutting-edge tools like IoT devices and cloud-based platforms, you can optimize your operations for maximum efficiency. Think of reduced costs, minimized waste, and happier customers who get their products faster. It's a win-win for everyone involved. The next trend that we're delving into might be a big revolution happening right under your nose in your supply chain. Generative AI or GenAI. GenAI isn't your average AI. Imagine a system that analyzes mountains of data but also learns and adapts to your company's unique quirks. GenAI can become your secret weapon, streamlining procurement, optimizing production, and even fielding routine logistic questions with a virtual assistant workforce. The catch? Businesses need to ditch the scattered AI projects and think bigger. The true power lies in strategically redesigning core processes to harness GenAI's potential fully. It's not just about efficiency, it's about a fundamental shift in how your business functions. And with half of all supply chain organizations projected to invest in AI by 2024, the time to explore GenAI is now. Are you ready to be a front runner or watch the competition leave you in the dust? Remember those spreadsheet marathons trying to predict every twist and turn in your supply chain? Yeah, those days are numbered. With more locations, partners, and a focus on resilience and sustainability, the pressure on planning is exploding. Here's where AI-enabled no-touch, low-touch planning comes in as your third trend. A system that can analyze mountains of data can not only predict future demand, but also sniff out potential disruptions before they cause chaos. That's the power of AI-enabled sales and operational planning, SNOP, and integrated business planning, IBP. Less manual work means more time spent on strategic decisions. AI crunches the numbers, identifies patterns in the data, and then flags potential issues, all with minimal human intervention. In fact, studies show low-touch planning can boost your return on equity by a whopping 2 to 4 percentage points, not to mention adding an extra 1 to 3% to your gross margins. That's real money in your pocket, folks. So, are you ready to ditch the spreadsheets and embrace the future of AI-powered planning? The competition isn't waiting, and neither should you. Moving ahead, the next trend on the horizon is all about letting go. You don't have to sweat the nitty-gritty of warehousing, shipping, or fulfillment anymore with supply chain as a service. The SCaaS for short. Think of it like this. You focus on what you do best, designing the killer product or crafting that amazing service. Meanwhile, a dedicated SCaaS partner handles the back-end logistics. They store your inventory, pick and pack your orders, and get them zooming into your customers in record time. It's like having a personal supply chain concierge ready to take care of all of the heavy lifting. Now, this isn't a pipe dream. Studies show that a whopping 73% of businesses are considering adopting some form of SCaaS by 2025. Why the surge? SCaaS frees up resources, allows for faster scaling, and lets you focus on what truly matters, growing your business and keeping your customers happy. With that said, it's time to discuss the trend that's not just about efficiency, but about redefining value itself. Forget endless waste. Embrace endless value. That's the power of circular supply chain, the next game changer in your industry. Traditionally, supply chains have been linear. Take, make, dispose. But the circular economy closes the loop. Imagine a system where used doesn't mean use less. Circular practices let you redesign products for multiple lives. Think remanufacturing components, refurbishing used items, or even creating entirely new products from waste materials. Here's a real win. It's not just good for the planet, it's a goldmine for your business. Studies show companies embracing circularity can see a revenue increase of up to 5%. That's right, a direct boost to your bottom line. Plus, you attract environmentally conscious customers and future-proof your business against stricter regulations. It's a strategic advantage that cannot be ignored. Cloud-based solutions are another trend on our list that unlocks this level of transparency. Think of it this way. Your circular supply chain is a complex ecosystem. Used components are remanufactured, products are refurbished, and waste materials are transformed into something new. But how do you track all of this movement? Enter the cloud. Cloud technology acts like your own digital mission control, storing and analyzing mountains of data, from customer insights to supplier networks in real time. Suddenly, you can see exactly where everything is, optimizing logistics, inventory, and transport like never before. Plus, the cloud gives you a superpower: super supplier sourcing. Cloud-based solutions create a master database of all of your partners, making it easier than ever to find sustainable suppliers and manage procurement. Here's the cherry on top. Forget giant upfront costs for hardware and software. Cloud technology is subscription-based, so you only pay for what you use. And when demand goes crazy, no sweat. The cloud scales effortlessly to handle peak seasons with ease. The numbers don't lie. With cloud technology and supply chain management projected to be a $40 billion industry by 2027. It's clear the future is connected, and it's time to unlock a world of real-time data, smarter operations, and a more sustainable future. So, we have come to the end of our exploration of the most game-changing trends reshaping the supply chain landscape for 2024. The future is bright, filled with opportunities, not just to survive, but to thrive. By embracing these trends, you can transform your supply chain from a complex web of challenges into a streamlined engine of efficiency and growth. Here at Copper Digital, we're here to help you navigate this exciting new frontier. We offer a comprehensive suite of services designed to help you implement these cutting-edge solutions and future-proof your supply chain. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more about how we can help your business unlock the power of future. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.